YouTube, what's happening? Today it's me and my daughter and we're doing a Pokemon pack opening. We've got 3 Pikachu showcase boxes, a Flareon tin and a Jolteon tin. Before we get into it, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. You ready?
Yeah.
Cool, let's get into it. Alright, so what are we going to start with, Ruby?
I think we should start with one of these.
The Pikachu V showcase. Alright, we'll smooth the tins out. Oh, look, there's the first Pikachu promo. Show that on the camera. Very nice, very nice. Put that over there to one side. Then you've got the first 3 booster packs. What ones did you get?
I got Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars.
Yeah.
Sword and Shield, Brilliant Stars.
Yeah.
And another one of them, and they're all different types.
Cool. Right, so what, oh, look, you got a Charizard on the front of that one. So you're going to open, which one are you going to open first?
I'm going to open this one first.
Alright then. Give away the code to someone. Hopefully you was quick enough to get that. Right. I don't know what the card trick if it's 3 or 4 from the back. So we try 3 from the back. Right. There you go. We'll go a bit more forward.
So, here we've got Energy.
Yeah. So just lay them down. Oh, it was 4 from the back because that is a good card.
Yeah,
Articuno V.
that was actually on the front of that packet.
Yeah.
So, that was
Wow.
lovely.
It's a big pull. Another shiny. Lapras. Swirlix.
Looks very cute.
Yeah. Rockruff. Mareep. Who else have you got?
Key,
Yeah.
Agatha,
Yeah.
Rabbit, and Old Cemetery.
Cool. Put them to one side in a pile. Wait, so what did we do last time? 3 from the back, didn't we?
Yeah,
Should we try 4? Let's give the code away. So 3 from the back. So Rock
The
Energy.
Energy.
What's next?
We got,
Get in camera shot.
we got I don't know how to say that one name.
Yeah. Very much. Ooh, you got a hollow there. Put that in. Very nice. Oh, it's like a baby Pikachu.
Yeah. Sun.
Yeah.
We got
Balatoy.
Mint.
Minccino. Chimchar. Hey.
We've got Magma Bassin.
Yeah. Hitmonchamp. Hitmontop.
Yeah.
And
And
Luxio. Cool. Some few nice ones in there.
definitely.
Put them in the pile to sort out. By the way, to a lucky viewer. Didn't get it, it's too slow. 3 from the back. Team Yo's cheer. Marine's pride.
Rifle.
Yeah.
Piplup.
Shroomish.
Berlin. Dust.
Oh, that one's nice. Oh, that is a nice card.
That
any good cards Ruby gets here, we'll be sending off to Ace Grading, so make sure you come back for that video. Alright, I think that's the first box done, Ru. So we open the next one?
Yeah.
Another Pikachu, people. Very nice. You got nice little 3 of them now. Right. Is it this? Oh, you got, that's a different one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got the same Charizard one and this Pokemon, but this is a new one. So we go for the new one first.
Yeah. Let's go for the new one.
Right, we'll give away the code. There you go. Sorry if it was too slow. I've done the 3 from the back crew.
Okay. Let's see what we're going to start with. So we've got another high energy, which we got last time. We've got
A Weezing.
a Weezing.
One of the original sets. A
Another
double.
Weezing,
In the same pack.
but,
Oh no, that's shiny. That's a hollow.
shiny.
Yeah, that's a hollow.
Fine. It was the same, but one's shiny and one's not
I
shiny.
don't know if you can see it on camera, but that one is different.
We've got Score Bunny. Next we've got Grookey, which we had in one of the other packs. Crabballer. We've got
Screw with it. Screw with it.
Ladybug.
Ladybug. It's based on a ladybug, probably.
Pony.
Peony, because of the E. Oh my gosh. For Wacky. It's the best guess I've got. And then Whirlpedee. That wasn't a very good pack, was it?
Not really.
Nah. We'll put that in the pile over here. Which one next?
This one.
Although you've had some good pulls already.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's a free card for you guys. So if you was too slow, I'll go 3 from the back. You go Ruby, you do these ones.
Got Energy.
Stone Energy.
Got Flygon.
Flagon. Very nice. Oh, another reverse hollow. I'm pretty sure Kyle told us that was a reverse hollow, that type of card. Chimneycho? Chimicho? Clefairy. Part of the original set.
Carablast.
Yeah. Make sure you're on camera.
Miracle.
Yeah.
Starly.
Starly.
Rillu.
Yeah. Who else have you got? Sharon's Care. Sharon's Care. Make sure you're on camera with the cards. Yeah. And last one. Oh, Kindler. Not a very good pack again, but it's alright. We've got a few more packs to open, haven't we?
Yeah.
And let Daddy.
And we've got the tins.
Yeah, the
might be
tins.
really good.
They might be a lot better.
Yeah.
Free code for you guys.
Hopefully you get it.
There we go. Right, I'm going
Did them.
3 from the back. Right. Choices belt. Vibra. Starvia. Balatoy. You've already got that one, didn't you, today? Axu. Nose Pass. Swanrock. Clink. Ooh, that's a nice little reverse hollow there. Probopass. Warmadam. And a Water Energy. Okay, so far you've got 2 good pulls there though, with these 2 so far. Look. These 2 very nice cards there. Put them off to the side so you can remember them. Let's get this last box open.
Hopefully this is a really good one.
Hopefully you get a nice little decent card in this.
Hopefully we get another one of these to make that
Alright,
free
so
of
you've
them.
got, there's the Pikachu promo. Very nice, very nice. And you've got 3 more packs.
We've got a new one this time.
Is that another new one? Yeah, I think it is. Right, so what we going with?
we should go with
This
the
one?
new one.
New one first. Okay. Right, there we go. Put my card for you guys. Get rid of it. Right, go 3 from the back at the front. Ready?
Yep. First we've got energy.
Yeah. What's next?
We've got a sword cup.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we've got spiral energy, which I don't think I've
Oh,
seen
and it's a reverse hollow. Look, shiny.
That's actually a new one because I've never seen it
Yeah.
before.
Very nice.
Sobel,
Yeah.
lava star,
Very cool.
Castle.
Cast form.
Well, it was a hard one to say.
Far-fetched. Part of the original set.
Weedle,
Yeah.
Raleigh,
Melanie. And last one. Ah, another trainer card. That's alright. We've got a couple more packs still to go. There it is. Sorry if you missed it. We go 3 from the back. Ready?
Yep.
Make sure you're in camera.
First we've got a rock energy.
Oh,
Ooh.
very nice. Duskgnaw. Oh, another shiny.
One.
Very nice. Starvia. Corpish.
Senil.
Sneasel. Duskull. Purloin. Some of these names are crazy, aren't they, Roo? Shroomish. What's next? Clang. Got one of them already. So you got a couple doubles. Barry. Oh, Barry. Bazza. And Grotle. Cool. Alright, let's open the last pack from the Pokémon. Pokémon? The Pikachu collection boxes. For you guys. Enjoy. Hopefully you get that one. Alright, then going to do this one. 3 from the back. And let's go. Chinchino. Cleansing gloves. Dusclops. Rilo. Starly. What else we got? We got a Spirit Tomb. Oh, I see something shiny there. You got another double there. A Shinx. Oh, you got the Vaporeon. The full art. That's a crazy card. That is very, very nice. I don't know if you can see the colours there, but that is very nice. That is very nice. And then we'll finish it off with these 2 cards here. But that is a very, very nice card. Very nice. I'll try and put the price in now if that's a graded 10. I'll put it on screen now if I can find it. But that is a very, very nice card. Right. So, what's next? What tin are we going to get to next? Well, I'm going to go with the Jolteon tin next. Very, very nice. You take the lid off, Roo. And look at that. That very nice Jolteon card there. Very nice. Take that off. Very nice. Another code for the people. Hopefully someone's quick enough to grab that one for themselves. And then we get 4 packs.
And these are Sword and Shield Evolving Strikes. Sword and Shield
Chilling Rain.
Chilling Rain. Sword and Shield Battle Styles and Sword and Shield.
Cool.
So
So what are you going to go with first?
I'm gonna
Yep. Okay. Oh, just rip it open. Rip it open for the camera. Oh, you got a good one. Got a good rip. Oh, wrong way. Oops. That's alright. Let me show the card for the code for the people. Hopefully you got that. Energy switch. So, yeah. Sobble. Aponata. Oh, that's the version you like, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remember on Pokemon Go?
Yeah, I remember.
Oh, Mawali.
Ooh, a shiny.
Oh, raise it to the camera. Let them see it. Very nice. Poltergeist.
And eye energy.
We're going to open this one next. Battle Styles. Here goes the code. Hopefully you lot enjoy that. Go free from the back. I'm going to do this one. So we start with the Scroll of Swirls. A Seadra. A Camping Gear. Mr. Mime. Balatoy. Oh, I see a shiny. Minfu. Parichu. Shoo. T-Pig. Oh, here comes the shiny. Oh, a Marowak.
That's actually
And a Primeape. And then we finish with a Wall Energy. Very nice, very nice.
There's always energies in the pack.
You need energies though to play the game. You put them there. Which one next, Roo? You can crack this one open.
I'm gonna go with this one.
Yep. Go on in. Open it up. Open it up. Oh, another nice open there. Let's get the pack. Show the code to the people. A little bit down. Okay, thank you. There we go. Right. Yeah. Yeah. That's alright. To the peak. Yep. Striker. Oh, reverse holo Hatrim. Did you say Hatrim? Yeah, Hatrim.
Yeah.
Oh, a Slowpoke.
Slowpoke.
That's you.
Don't say.
Yeah, that's you. A Deerling. Very cute, isn't it? What else you got there? Oh, another Lapras. A Swirlix. Making faces like you make. And Ruckruff. Right, cool. Let Dad get this next pack open.
Been good so far.
Code people. Giving away lots of free codes today.
Yeah.
Please drop a like. Right, we'll drop 3 from the back to the front. Right, and we've got rubber gloves. Oh, floret. A boot shake. Cryogonal. A Nickit. A Dweevil. Oh, a Rufflet. Roggenrola. Oh, a reverse holo Psyduck. Oh, that is a nice pull, Roo. A Galarian Moltres. That is very, very good. That is very, very nice.
We've had some good ones so far.
We'll definitely have to send that off to Ace Grading.
Yeah.
Right. So that's that tin done.
5 good ones so far. That's we're gonna take off the plastic.
Let Daddy get rid of the plastic. Open it up. There is the Flareon. Very nice, very nice. Wanna look at that, Roo? There's the code, people. Enjoy that. Alright, and these are the packs. You got Sword and Shield, Battle Styles, Chilling Rain, and Evolving Skies. What are we going with first?
I think I want to go with Battle Style.
Right, go on then. Get that open. That's right, that's right. Just rip it open, rip it open. Get in there. Show the people the code. Is that on the shop? About there. That's good enough for you. If you're not quick enough, sorry about that.
We've got
Spoopapoo, spoopapoo, spoopapa, spoopapoo. A Gliscor. Very cool. What's that one?
Sword, Ward, and Silver.
Yeah. Very nice, very nice.
I don't know how to say that one.
I know this one because it's from the original Sparrow. I know that one. Oh, and I know this one, Onyx. It's from Daddy's original set when he was a kid. And this one, Bellsprout. Oh, Daddy's on a roll. Mr. Mime, I'm on a roll, Ruby. Cubone, I'm on a roll, Ruby. That's a reverse holo. It's very nice. Oh, no. They took me off my roll, Ruby. I don't know that one. Minasho. Cool. Alright. Let Daddy do this one. Oh. Get rid of the packet. The code. Hopefully you got that. Alright, we'll go 3 from the back. Turn them over. We got the ribbon badge. Zvelius. Trainer. Litio. You got that one? Chinchu. Delineo. Pumpkaboo. Oh, Hippodon. Reverse holo. There you go, that's that pack done. You got 2 more packs from that tin. What are you going to go with?
I'm going to go with this one.
Alright then, get it open. There it is. Hopefully you got that. Yep. Slow poke. Like I said, that's you in the mornings.
No, it isn't.
Clobberpuss. Mareep. Ralts. Oh, reverse holo. Oh wow, Blaziken, what a card.
Oh, that is really good.
Wow. That's a crazy pull, Roo. That tin paid off. There we go. And then you finished it with an energy.
And we've got 6 with one so far, so.
Alright, cool. Daddy gonna open the last one?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's get this one open. That is that. Last code, people. Hopefully you get that one. Sorry if you don't. 3 from the back. And this is the last pack. So we start off with a Heatmore. A Ferrothorn. Energy Retrieval. A Clobberpuss. A Slandlit. A Joltik, a Wooloo, a Balatoy, Oh, that looks nice. A Boltond. Very nice. Oh, look, there's another one. Cinderace. Very nice. Very nice. And then, should we get all the reverse hollows and shinies that you got?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's go through this pile here. That's one there. What else is there? Let's go through these quickly. There's one there. There is one there. Got another one coming up here, side up. Got another one here. Another one here. It's all in that pile, but we still got another pile here, Roo. Alright, so another shiny there. What else? I've definitely got a few more. See, two there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Quite a few. Another one there. Another one there. Right. Alright.
How many good ones?
Yeah, so we've got, first of all, we've got the Flareon and the Jolteon from the tins. Very nice. Then you've got the free Pikachu promo cards, Pikachu V. Yes, that makes that 5. Oh. Right, and then we've got, let's count this pile here. We have, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, and then them ones there.
23.
Yeah.
This should be 24.
Yep. That's the best one, I think, in my opinion. 25. Yeah. Yep. 27. And the last one.
And 28.
So 28 holo cards, shinies, whatever you want to call them. Very good. You happy with your pulls today?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to the channel, and Ruby will be doing a Pokemon Go pack opening. The very new Pokemon Go cards coming soon. That'll be coming in a few coming weeks. Look out for it. Peace.